Hey guys, today I have a really fun idea that you can do with your partner for date nights. So all you need is a cute jar. You can also just do a mason jar, some sticks, the larger popsicle sticks, and a Sharpie. Once you have everything, you and your partner can write down ideas or date nights that you wanted to try but you haven't yet. And if you wanted to spice it up in the bedroom a little bit, you could also make it a bedroom jar. And you could write down things that you wanted to try, or things that you wanted to use with your partner, and that can be a fun and exciting way to kind of spice it up in the bedroom. Another thing you can do is do the date night idea, but do it at a bridal shower. It could be one of the games. I thought that was really cool. My bridesmaids did that for me at my shower. In the comments, let me know some date night ideas that you have or have wanted to try with your partner.